So we're doing some tire rotation today to put different tires. This one's already in Mexico. It'd still be legal, but not in America. So I'm gonna take one of these off this side, this one, and throw it on the inside, and then we're getting tires off that gray one because we're dropping those super singles on it. So yeah, it's gonna be a little bit of rotation here and there, but gotta make it work. So let you guys hang out with me for a second. Guys, we got to do the video of the finished product, but here's that new airbag. Got her installed. Got that diaphragm in that brake chamber, ready to go. So yeah, there's always stuff, but yeah, that's that for this truck. Oh yeah, I'm gonna stop by Finalizing right now and see if I can get a fender for this. And then this truck, we threw on the super singles on it because one of the other trucks needed an axle of tires, and this truck has had some recaps on it, so we're just gonna try to use those off. So we had the set of these super singles. These super singles were with this original truck. So now they're on this other truck. Yeah, so that truck came with these super singles. Not this truck, not the frame of this truck, but the frame that's back there with this truck came with these tires. So yeah. So this is a Frankenstein right here. Well, so is this one. This used to be a white truck with a small sleeper. Now it's a red truck. See, which one is it? See that white sleeper right there? That truck used to be this one, so now it's a Frankenstein. And this one also used to be white, but now it's gray, so yeah. Well guys, got this light fixed. It was always flickering, working or not. Guess what it was? And this setup, this whole base is the ground, so it had a bad ground. Was not getting ground to the chrome, through the chrome, so I had to wiggle it around. I have these bolts touching the inside of the frame. Yeah, it was just a big nightmare, but yeah, I finally got it to work. Today you can say it's a light day. And then I think I did a video about those lights that I bought. These ones right here under the frame, where they call them underglow. Oh, yeah, I'm not gonna be able to set it up, so I'm almost there. I got the power from the factory KENWORTH. There used to be a light right here, like that one. They took it off, I don't know why, but it was never here. So I had to redo the wires, make a connection, and then I'm taking this one off as well. So yeah, we're gonna have this light here. That light will be kind of pointless for right now. It's underneath the frame behind this tank, but it'll still be there once because I'm planning to take these tanks off, this tank off, and all this hydraulic stuff. So yeah, so we're gonna have some light under there, but you won't be able to see it technically from here for now, but it'll be there. And it'll be like a little underglow thing deal. And once I get two or three more of those brackets, I'm gonna throw some underglow here, like in the back, and then down the middle somewhere here. Well, let's see. Let me try to set this thing up for you guys so you can see. Wow. Hopefully on. Yeah, it's on. See if we can get that wire light wired in. That concludes that. Since I already had the wires power here, I'm just gonna can't wait. I'm not gonna wait till today until it gets dark, but you guys get the idea. Should be pretty bright over here. I'm thinking I might throw another pair there in the middle. So 3 more sets would be perfect. Right underneath this bracket, so you can get some light over here, and then over here, so you light here. This hole, we should do 2, one right there, one right there. Yeah, I think that's right. That would actually be better. One set there, and one set here. I don't know, we'll see. See how it looks at night, but for now, we're sending it. Set up. Peace. Well, nothing exciting is happening today, guys, but we're trucking on the Volvo. Nothing mechanically or under the truckily is happening underneath, inside. You guys get the point. I had to pick up a load that I'm gonna go deliver for tomorrow. Then I had a load, we had a load sitting in the yard, been sitting for like over a week already, and we gotta pull another one, so I had to go drop that one off at a yard that we use to drop and pick loads. So it'll be sitting there, and I'm going to pick up the load that's sitting. I guess the same customer, they don't have room to accept the load or unload the load, so they're gonna have 2 containers that'll be sitting outside the terminal. I feel bad for them because those chargers gonna be big, because the terminal's gonna charge for having the container out that long, and then we gotta charge for sitting on our trailer, on our chassis, and then we gotta charge them storage. So yeah, I feel bad for the customer, but you know you got containers coming in, so you better. And this is not the first time they've done this. I guess it's still worth it for them because they they have a good contract with a big popular company, so I guess they make a heck of money, and yeah, so I'm gonna go real quick, pick up that load. I gotta be there before 4:15. It's 3:30. I'm like 10 minutes out. Heater done. I'm like, this weather's just, it was snowing in Tacoma, rolling up to Seattle. It's raining here, but look at the temperature, 38. And I gotta go over the mountains tonight. So yeah, it's been snowing up in the mountain passes pretty bad. They've had a couple of shutdowns, accidents, spin outs and stuff. So yeah, so and it's April, almost middle of April, at least to say. So yeah, all right guys, something exciting happens, I'll make sure to. Oh man, these roads are so bad here. Old Faithful. Well, say hello to the white stuff. That's snow. Snow meet yeah, I don't have a name for my truck. Throw out some ideas what I should name my truck. But yeah, this is the first time, I think first time this truck's probably seen snow, because it was a southern truck from Louisiana, Texas. I don't think it's ever seen snow. But yeah, first time for everything, I guess. Finally going over the hill with this truck. We'll see how it goes. I was hoping there was gonna be no snow, because I'm running trailer tires or steer tires, wherever they are. So yeah, hopefully we won't see any snow. It says it's advised. I have no chains, not a single chain for this truck. I got a couple of chains, 2 chains or a chain for the trailer, but not for the truck. So hopefully we'll make it over today and tomorrow. If it's gonna get bad, I guess we're stuck, we can't go anywhere. And if I gotta go back again tomorrow to Spokane, I'm gonna have to take the Old Faithful. See, even the Volvo got its name, Old Faithful. This one doesn't even have a name yet. But yeah, keep my fingers crossed there's no snow on the road. Well guys, it ain't looking too good for me right now, to tell you the truth. See if I can catch a truck that's not. All the trucks are incoming, head on, going westbound. They got a bunch of snow on their windshield and on their trailers. And I think we got some slush, so hopefully we can another couple more miles. Yeah, look at this slush. Yeah, I guess we went through a little bit of snow. This is just the truck design. Grapples, everything. Look at the lights underneath there, guys. Actually lights up pretty good. Dang, I like it. Now I need more. Well guys, here it is in all its glory. The camera doesn't catch it as good as I would like it. But here's these that I installed the other day. Imagine one more here and then one in the back. Look pretty good. And these, man, they go out all the way over there. Definitely don't do it justice on the camera, but looks good in real life, I'll tell you that. Guys, this is is what I love, Eastern Washington. This is where my delivery's at. Look at that. This does not get, oh, is that? It's pretty good, about 2 feet. This does not get more free than this. Somewhere around the bend. I came here last night and it was too dark to figure anything out, so this is a gravel road now, and it goes back, it's, I don't know, like 3-4 miles gravel road. It goes back to the highway, which is back there, and I went to a little gas station, trucks, it's not really a truck stop, but it had truck parking, because you know, it's in the middle of nowhere. So I found some parking there, and spent the night there. And now I'm gonna try to pull into this place. I don't know what the heck it is, how to get in there. I was trying to figure it out yesterday. Alright guys, I gotta go check out Google Maps. So yeah, oh, it's, yeah, right here. So I gotta pull into this little ass driveway. That's why I didn't really want to go in here yesterday. It's kind of tight. Last night, I looked tighter last night than it is today. So I'm gonna go talk to the guy, see where we're going. Looks like some kind of a farm ordeal. Well, guys, we lived everything. Here's some go-karts from friends. Friends go-karts, Yamaha or Honda motors. Well, guys, we're over here, top of the pass. Hopefully the last snow. I'm not very excited. As you all know, look, my tires, these are not snow tires. My truck is very dirty. Yeah. My purple is not purple anymore, it's more gray. Look at that. Cracked lens, glass. Yeah. Gray. Yeah. Screw the snow. It sure is beautiful though.